What if I told you the damage to your kidneys didn't start with your meals, but with your drinks? Today's topic is urgent. Your kidneys are some of the hardest working organs in your entire body. Every moment of every day, they filter your blood, flush out toxins, balance your fluids, and regulate hormones that keep you alive. But here's the truth. You might be drinking things every day that are slowly wearing them down. Kidney failure, stones, and silent disease are on the rise. And many people don't realize that their favorite drinks are often to blame. So today, we're counting down the top 10 drinks you must avoid if you care about your kidney health. Some of them may surprise you. Let's begin with number 10 because the most dangerous ones are still to come. 10. Diet sodas. The sweet lie. They say 0 sugar and 0 calories, but they don't tell you what it costs your body. Diet sodas are loaded with artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose, which may sound harmless, but over time, they can quietly degrade your kidney function. Worse still, these drinks are acidic. That acidity can lead to kidney stones, which are as painful as they are preventable. So if you're trying to ditch sugar, go natural. Swap that can for sparkling water with a slice of citrus. Your kidneys will thank you. 9. Alcohol. The hidden dehydrator. We all know alcohol affects the liver, but what most don't realize is how it quietly stresses the kidneys. When you drink, your body shifts into emergency mode to process the alcohol, ignoring other vital tasks, like filtering your blood efficiently. It dries you out, increases blood pressure, and disrupts your fluid balance. All of that adds up to long-term strain on your kidneys. A drink here and there might not hurt, but when it becomes a habit, your kidneys carry the burden. 8. Coffee. Comfort with a catch. Coffee feels like a warm hug in the morning, right? But too much of it turns that comfort into a problem. Caffeine, especially in high doses, pushes your body to lose more water, sometimes faster than you're replacing it. That dehydration wears on your kidneys, which depend on hydration to filter out waste properly. On top of that, caffeine raises blood pressure, another enemy of kidney health. Enjoy your coffee, but keep it in check. Think of it as a treat, not a crutch. 7. Energy drinks. The dangerous boost. Let's talk about those flashy cans promising endless energy. Energy drinks are loaded with extreme amounts of caffeine, sugar, and mystery stimulants. They might give you a buzz, but they also place massive stress on your kidneys. They spike your heart rate, shoot up your blood pressure, and lead to serious dehydration. The worst part, these effects stack up over time. Your kidneys can't keep up with that kind of abuse. For real energy, turn to sleep, water, and good nutrition. Not something with a warning label. 6. Sports drinks. The athlete's trap. They promise hydration, electrolytes, and recovery. But for the average person, sports drinks are mostly just sugar bombs in disguise. Yes, they replenish salts, but they often come with more sodium than your kidneys can handle, especially if you're not doing high-intensity training. And let's not forget the sugar, often just as much as soda. This combination can raise your blood pressure, spike your blood sugar, and leave your kidneys overwhelmed. Unless you're running marathons, skip the neon-colored bottle. Your kidneys want plain water or, better yet, coconut water with no added sugar. 5. Artificially sweetened drinks. The silent offenders. 0 sugar isn't always a win. When drinks are sweetened with chemicals like sucralose, saccharin, or aspartame, you're trading sugar for something that can confuse your body's systems, especially your kidneys. These sweeteners have been linked to oxidative stress and inflammation in kidney tissues. They can also disrupt your metabolism, raising the risk of diabetes and heart issues, both of which damage kidney function. The fix? Go natural. Herbal teas, fruit-infused water, or a drop of raw honey can add flavor without the toxic load. 4. Flavored waters. The hidden sugar bombs. They look clean, they sound healthy, and they even say hydration on the label. But many store-bought flavored waters are spiked with added sugars, artificial colors, and preservatives your kidneys have to work overtime to filter out. Even the all-natural ones often contain ingredients that can raise blood sugar or throw off your electrolyte balance. That's a slow attack on your kidney health. Want flavor? Make your own. Slice up some citrus, cucumber, or berries, and let them steep in cold water. It's refreshing, safe, and healing. 3. Bottled fruit juices. Nature, processed. Fruit is healthy, but bottled juice? Not so much. Most store-bought juices are stripped of fiber and overloaded with added sugars or fruit concentrates. Without the natural fiber, sugar hits your bloodstream like a wave, spiking your insulin and putting strain on your kidneys. Over time, those blood sugar spikes can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes, all major enemies of kidney function. If you love juice, make it yourself at home and keep the pulp, or better yet, just eat the whole fruit. Your body and your kidneys were designed for that. 2. Regular soda. The everyday threat. It's everywhere, on restaurant menus, in vending machines, in lunchboxes. But soda is one of the most aggressive enemies to your kidneys. Each can delivers a heavy dose of high fructose corn syrup, phosphoric acid, and caffeine, a triple threat. That sugar drives up your insulin levels. The acid messes with your body's mineral balance, increasing your risk of kidney stones. And the caffeine, once again, leads to dehydration and stress on your kidneys. All of this adds up to a slow, silent deterioration of kidney health. Cutting soda from your life is one of the fastest ways to lighten your kidneys' load. You don't need bubbles to be satisfied. You need clarity, strength, and hydration. 1. Sweetened iced tea. The kidney stone maker. It's cool, it's refreshing, and it's incredibly misleading. Sweetened iced tea is packed with oxalates, natural compounds that in high amounts promote kidney stone formation. Combine that with heaps of added sugar, and you've got a drink that invites dehydration, insulin resistance, and painful kidney problems all in one. It may not seem dangerous at first sip, but over time, it builds up silently. If you love tea, you don't have to give it up. Just switch to unsweetened or herbal options and flavor it naturally with lemon or mint. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about protecting what matters. So now you know, these 10 drinks, some obvious, some unexpected, can gradually wear down the very organs that keep your body clean, balanced, and alive. The truth is, your kidneys don't ask for much, but they do need your awareness. They need your respect. And more than anything, they need your consistency. Water, herbal teas, fresh ingredients, these are the quiet heroes of kidney protection. Small choices today lead to powerful outcomes tomorrow. So here's the challenge. Look at your daily habits. Rethink what you pour into your glass. And start giving your kidneys the support they deserve. One drink at a time. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay mindful, and stay healthy. Your body's listening.